The chickens came out here. They followed me, but they saw the dead raccoon. And they were all eyeballing it like, what is this? But anyway, I had a little talk with them and I let them know that a dead raccoon's a good raccoon. A dead raccoon ain't gonna bother them. Hey, Yellowfoot, go check out that raccoon. It's got flies on it. I know how much you like flies and larvae. That's Yellowfoot right there. Yellowfoot always follows me around and talks to me. And comes out here and checks on things. See, even the duckies see him. The duckies and the chickens are looking and they're like, what is this? They smell it. They see it. And they're like, what on earth is this? They know by instinct that that's a predator, an enemy. They know that that thing, if it was alive, it would kill them. So, anyway. They're going to come around and check it out. Alright, chickies, I'm going to go do something else. Talk to you later.